take in my life. I found you and couldn't lose you, and all the difference that you make in my life. The feelings I never knew. Yes, I must have saved an empty place in my heart for you to come and fill the space in my heart that long before I said I loved you. I loved you. Whatever happens, this is true in my life. When all the springs have come and gone, whatever doors I may go through in my life, whatever else that I may do in my life, you'll always be something new in my life from now on. I know there always will be you in my life from now on. Thank you.